Are you able to hear me? I am not able to hear. Speak. आपका आवाज आ रहा नहीं है. You are connecting to audio. अभी connect. हाँ ठीक है. अभी मिलेगा. अभी बोलिए.
Sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. How are you?
I am good, sir. How are you?
First class. Good. Very good. You are appearing for Bank of Maharashtra Scale 2 or Scale 3?
I'm appearing for Scale 3.
Scale 3. Oh God. Your interview is tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow morning. It is scheduled tomorrow morning.
Congratulations. अच्छा, आपका बारे में बताइए.
Sir, my name is Pulkit Gaur, and I have done my graduation in computer engineering. After that, I have done my MBA from Institute of Rural Management, Anand. After that, I've joined ICICI Bank as a management trainee. I worked with ICICI Bank for close to 5 years in the gold banking, gold loan product team. As a part of the gold loan sales and product team. After that, I appeared for RRB Scale 2 exam. And in 2016, I got selected in RRB Scale 2, Rajasthan Barodara Gramin Bank Scale 2 officer. And from then onwards, I am working as branch manager in RMGB.
Acha. Now, good. Your salary scale must be more than Scale 3 starting, na?
My salary scale, sir?
Yeah, आपका अभी basic pay, what you are getting, what is the base? Is it more than or less than the starting basic pay of Scale 3?
Sir, my basic pay right now is 61,850.
Okay, what is the starting basic for our Scale 3?
I guess it is close to that only, sir. Not far away from that. Maybe. I'm not sure about that, sir. I have not studied it well.
मेरा ख्याल से इससे कम होगा ना आपको. What is the फायदा in your jumping over to this bank? Of course, for career growth आप जाना चाहते हैं, समझ गए हमको.
Right, sir.
Very good. अच्छा जी. I think your resume appears to be very good because you have done JAB, CIAB, Certified Insurance Facilitator. Super. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत कुछ बनाया आपने. Acha. And you are a computer science student also.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me your achievement under any 2 areas that you have given here? Risk management, team management, portfolio management, then quality assurance. सबका अंदर में 2 चीज का आप ले लीजिए, उसका बारे में आपको achievement बता दीजिए.
Okay, sir. So I will start with the team management.
Yeah.
I am the branch head of a team of four persons, 1 officer and 2 clerical staff members, as well as 1 messenger. And we have been working well, gelling as a unit. Wherever I have been working, my priority has been that I should take my team along with me for example, if there is any branch achievement or if I get an honor or award from the higher management, I always make sure to mention all of my team members' names. So
that is, you are sharing your credit with others. Good. Next.
Yes.
Next point.
So the risks that are associated with the banking profession, one of the risks is that we should not let the branch managers or the branch head, and in fact the branch team should not be the end to climb up. So this we are regularly following with the customers, and we are regularly following with all the SMA accounts that the list that we get from the regional office, and we timely follow them up. We don't let them slip into say SMA2 category or NPA category before following up. We just start from SMA0 or SMA1 only, and then this is the way we are managing the risk of not letting the NPA of the branch increase. So this is the way. Also, for example, the transactions that are happening in the branch. So we are checking the voucher verification reports regularly, and this is the way in which we can find out if the transactions have been happening in accordance with whatever they are in the system, and the vouchers are in accordance with whatever they are in the system. This is the way in which we are managing the risk. In a way, the operational part of the risk that we are managing.
Very good. Good. Acha, NPA recovery mein, what is your contribution?
Sir, NPA, I have joined this branch close to 6 months back, and the NPA in this branch at that time was 25.5 lakhs. Right now, we closed the financial year in March 31. The NPA of the branch was 15 lakhs. So
10 lakhs you could recover. Good.
Yes.
You could recover you could recover nearly 40% of the outstanding. Good.
Yes.
That's really, I am happy. Now, what was your contribution to ICICI as a regional head sales?
So ICICI regional head sales, it was the first experience for me that taught me how to manage a team, because before that I was in the sales manager role and I was not managing a team. I was the part of a team and RHS was managing us. So the first thing it taught me was how to manage a team and how to get the work done from our team members, how to keep them motivated, as well as keep the morale high and achieve the targets with the help of team members. So this was the one thing that the regional head sales role taught me. Also, it also gave me an opportunity to be present at the higher management meetings, the annual meeting, the 6 monthly meeting, the quarterly meeting, which I was not a part of when I was working as a sales manager. So how to present the data, the presentation skills in front of management, and how to answer the management questions. It really helped me in learning that. The third thing that I would say it taught me was how to work under pressure, because sometimes the pressure grows up and we have to perform or deliver under pressure. So that is also what that taught me. That role taught me.
Very good. अच्छा, आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हैं. मेरे को ज्यादा हिंदी में नहीं बोलेगा, लेकिन हम समझाएंगे. आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो तो समझाएंगे. इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. लेकिन आपको रियल बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र में तो आपको हिंदी चलता है. सो दे आर हैप्पी विथ हिंदी, करेक्ट?
यस सर, मैं हिंदी भी बोल सकता हूँ.
गुड.
मैं हिंदी भी बोल सकता हूँ और इंग्लिश भी बोल.
Yeah, very good. Excellent. Good, because you have worked in ICICI and also now in RRB. Now, did you watch the 2 videos I have posted for Scale 3 interview videos? One you did not watch probably. आपको समय नहीं मिला?
नहीं sir, I didn't get the chance to watch the Scale 3 interview.
Scale 3 interview, 1 minute. See, in one interview, they asked simply about what is the performance of your branch. आपका branch का बारे में बताइए.
Sir, my branch is located in Pali district in Rajasthan, and it is the name of the place is Desuri, and it is a Tehsil headquarter place. And talking about the deposits and advances of the branch, so the deposits of the branch are 31 crore 31.4 to be exact crore rupees, and the advances are 3 crores and 90 lakhs.
बहुत कम लगता है advance.
So the
Because
advance
normally दूसरा branches RRB में तो advance will be more than deposit. यहाँ पर बहुत कम लगता है. क्यों demand नहीं है क्या?
Sir, this is a trend in Pali region basically. So many branches in Pali district, they are more deposit based branches than their advances are there.
Perhaps
The reason
people have money, perhaps they don't want loan.
So the reason for this is also that many of the people from this district have migrated to Mumbai and Pune and Gujarat, and they are doing very well there. So they have enough of money, so they send back to their home, and the deposits is not a big deal. The deposits come by this method, but the advances, we have to really fight hard for the advances.
So what steps did you take after reaching this branch for improving the advances?
So first of all, I increased, or I'll say I started making
Can
you hear? So as soon as the customer comes to the branch, I used to ask my assistants who were there already posted in the branch working from a time before me, that who is a good customer, what is the net worth of this person, what is this person doing. By this method, I used to come to know that this customer is a good customer, or he has a potential, he's a businessman, or he's a government employee.
But you have to tell about some other positive steps you have taken for increasing the advances. I know very well in the first 6 months में हम लोग study करने का समय लगता है, फिर भी as a manager हम लोग का ये भी सोचेगा, अरे भाई क्यों हम झंझट करना है, वो लोन देगा, उसको देगा, वापस देगा, नहीं देगा, ये प्रॉब्लम होगा. So our risk taking may be low, but bank cannot survive without loans. So अब आने का बाद में कितना advances increase हुआ बताइए?
That is what I was coming to. After my coming to this branch, the day I joined the branch was in negative. From the last year, it was 22 lakhs negative, and I closed the branch at 89 lakhs positive. So I, in a span of 4 to 5 months, I disbursed close to 1 crore of advances.
अच्छा recovery कर दिया?
नहीं, I disbursed these advances.
अच्छा, disbursed, very good. So
closed. I achieved close to 1 crore of disbursement. How I did it was, I identified some of my current account customers, and
actually 1 minute.
Sorry.
The suggestion for improvement is, when I asked about what steps have you taken for improvement, up straight away you could have come to this answer. Okay. You should have told me, I have increased or I have lent more than this many lakhs rupees during this period by adopting this strategy.
Right.
लेकिन आपने क्या बोला? You started telling it as a story. वो तो समय ज़्यादा लग जाता है आपको. Maximum 15 to 20 minutes का अंदर में you have to impress them. Whatever words you are speaking is important, relevant.
Right.
अभी बताइए. Now try this again. Now my question is, what steps have you taken? What is the performance of your branch in respect of advances? What steps did you take to improve the advances in your branch? बताइए.
Okay. So, sir, I joined my branch on 28th September 2021, and after that, when we closed the financial year on 31st March 22, my growth in advances was 90 lakhs, close to 90 lakhs. because at the time I joined the branch was in negative 22 lakhs, and I filled up that gap and showed a growth of 89.9 lakhs, that is close to 90 lakhs.
Now, what is the new type of advances you have given? Is it one party, two parties, or how many parties?
No, sir, I gave advances to more than 20 customers. 25 customers I gave advances to.
What is the nature of advance?
The one advance, two advances I did were good ticket size home loans. So I developed some relationship with the lock CMHO, and he was planning to construct his own house there. So we got that loan file, and we disbursed we sanctioned, got the loan sanctioned from the regional office of 50 lakhs.
Good. Good.
So out of that, only 30% was disbursed because it will be disbursed stage wise. But this was one advance that I was able to crack. Another advance that I was able to crack was of my current account customer, which was 17 lakhs of his home loan, and it was already the home loan was running in IndusInd Bank. So we were able to do a loan transfer from business IndusInd Bank to our bank.
Oh, good. So very good, very good. But then IndusInd Bank was charging higher interest or less interest than you?
It was charging higher interest.
Oh, very good. But yeah, it should be useful for customer also. So that is a good thing. So आप ये भी बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है I joined in December, ये सब जरूरत नहीं. आपका contribution क्या बोलने से during my period I have increased the advances by 90 lakhs.
Right.
And if they ask details, you tell about the details. Definitely they will ask. When you said 90 lakhs, they will ask, is it one advance or two advances? How many did you make? Then you can tell the details. Okay. But there also you be brief. The one advance is in respect of gold loan and also housing loan, and other party is related to current account and some whatever advance it is. ऐसा बता दीजिए, ठीक है?
जी sir.
Very good. Good. That's good because they want to see performance.
Right.
That is a thing. Yeah.
Right.
Now, are you aware of OTS? What is OTS?
OTS is one-time settlement scheme.
Are you aware of that?
Yes, sir. The bank. So the one-time settlement in OTS scheme, the bank, it gives an opportunity to the customer. It's also opportunity to the customer as well as for the bankers also to provide one-time settlement for the account which are in the loss category or they are NPAs.
So what is the procedure for that? How much concession can be given? Have you done anything in your branch?
Yes, sir, I have done. I have done few OTS settlements in the AUCA accounts, the loss category accounts I have done. And we can give a concession up to 50% of the outstanding amount in OTS schemes.
Good. That's what I wanted. Very good. Next question. How will you be beneficial to Bank of Maharashtra team? How your experience will be helpful to Bank of Maharashtra?
Okay. So Bank of Maharashtra wants people who are dynamic and energetic and are willing to perform, and I have been showing good performance in my previous assignments also, and I am motivated to do well, and this is the way I guess I will contribute to Bank of Maharashtra.
ना इधर में थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस कम करके आप बोलते हैं, आपको इतना जोर से आप नहीं बोलते हैं. You are not talking with confidence. आपका confidence कम लगता है. The way you are talking ना, हंसना है. Please smile.
Okay.
Please smile and be cheerful.
Right, sir.
समझ गया?
Yes.
Yeah, that is what is more important. If you smile, then the same answer will be rated very high. But if you operate in a way that you are fearing and all that, आपको उतना अच्छा marks नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है?
Right, sir.
Very good. Yeah. So now, next question they asked in that interview, what is the calculation method of maximum permissible bank finance in Tandon Committee Method 2?
Tandon Committee
Method
sorry, sir,
2.
I haven't read this method, so I am not aware of it.
आप थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए उसका बारे में, prepare कर दो.
Right,
Tandon,
sir.
Tandon Committee 1, Tandon Committee 2, like that some methods are there. Google में search करने से आपको मिल जाएगा, prepare कर दीजिए.
Okay, sir.
And have you heard CGT Msc? What is CGT Msc?
So CGT Msc is Credit Guarantee Trust for micro and small enterprises, and it has been set up by SBI and Government of India, and it has some commercial banks and regional rural banks as its member lending institutions. So it provides guarantee cover to the member lending institutions of the loans that they provide to micro and small enterprises.
What is the fees charged for this?
So the fees charged is
1% per annum of the
1%.
amount so sanctioned. 0.75% for credit up to rupees 5 lakhs. It differs, it seems. As you said rightly, it differs.
Right, sir. It differs.
What is the limit of CGT Msc?
The limit for CGT Msc is 200 lakhs.
Very happy. Good. 200 lakh. Correct. Good. In other words, maximum of credit risk borne by CGT Msc is restricted to 150 lakhs. That is 75% of the amount in default. Correct. Good. Is CGT Msc collateral free?
Yes, CGT Msc is it is collateral free, sir.
Up to 200 lakhs.
Up to 200 lakhs, it is collateral free.
Yeah, here it is given up to rupees 100 lakhs for retail trade and 200 lakhs to micro and small enterprises. Retail trade होने से 100 lakhs.
100
Micro MSME होने से 200 lakhs. समझ गया?
Right.
What is the lock-in period of CGT Msc?
So the lock-in period for CGT Msc is 18 months, I guess.
This lock-in period is for preferring the claim. Super. Good answering. You did it very well. What are the activities covered under CGT Msc? What are the activities covered?
Sir, all the existing and new micro and small enterprises are covered.
Good. New and existing micro enterprises engaged in manufacturing, service activity, excluding agriculture, self-help groups. They are not covered under this.
Right, sir. IT and software industry is also covered under this.
Very good. Excellent. Is CGT Msc fee charged every year?
Yes, sir. It is charged every year.
Super. Good. Is Mudra loan covered under CGT Msc?
Yes, sir. Mudra loan is covered under CGT Msc. Because Mudra loan we are giving to micro, small and small enterprises. So this loan is covered under Cgt Msc.
Is Udyog Aadhar mandatory for Cgt Msc?
So this I am not aware of.
यहाँ पर दिया है advising that feeding of Udyog Aadhar number or Aadhar number of the promoter is mandatory for submitting application for guarantee coverage.
Okay, sir.
It's a must. Very good. You answered nicely. These questions I am happy. Now, what are the schemes suggested to the persons coming for manufacturing loan without collateral with subsidy? What are the subsidy schemes available in central level?
So one of the subsidy schemes that is available is for the new enterprises. If somebody is willing to start a new enterprise, then PMEGP is the scheme which is there.
You know
which
that.
is there for the,
You know that. Very good.
yes.
What this one you may not know. What is CMR ranking?
The CMR ranking, I managed to read it when you sent me the WhatsApp link.
Yeah.
So CMR is civil MSME rank. Basically.
Oh, super. उसका बारे में और भी पढ़ लीजिए. Good.
Right, sir.
बढ़िया है जी. अच्छा ये बात बताइए. Say, who is the vice chairman of Niti Aayog?
That also, sir, Mr. Suman Berry.
That also you studied. Very good. Very good. Who is the finance minister of our country?
Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman is the finance minister.
Who is the chairman of Dicgc?
So that I am not aware about.
Mr. Patro, MB Patro, one of the deputy governors. MB Patro, one of the deputy governors of RBI.
Okay.
So he is the chairman of. Can you tell me what are the functions that Dicgc is doing?
So one major function of Dicgc is it is providing insurance cover to the deposits that are there in the bank, of the public deposits that are in the bank, and the limit of that insurance cover is 5 lakhs per person.
This sentence आपने तो जल्दी बोल सकता था. Dicgc extends coverage for 5 lakh bank deposits.
Right.
Every per person. ऐसा बोलने से खत्म हो जाता. So थोड़ा straight away answer देने का practice कर लीजिए. बढ़िया हो जाएगा. By this time tomorrow you would have completed your interview, and please send me the questions they are asking you. Okay.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Very good. Very good. Now here, apart from this, one more question also that boy told. One minute. Because not many people share their questions easily. That is why. 1 minute. Acha, have you taken the application form with you? The Maharashtra application form?
No, sir. Application form I haven't taken.
Doesn't matter. But you take the printout of this scale 3 interview call list.
Right, sir.
Self-introduction they are asking, because in
right.
this candidate they ask self-introduction also.
Okay. Self-introduction verbally in the interview.
Yeah, they are asking. For right. Some candidates they are asking.
Okay, sir.
1 minute. Here Online application. Good morning. No, sir. Asking question. Maybe I can take in casual. Very good. Any doubts you have now? You have answered very well. You have answered
So
very well.
what should I improve? What is the area for improvement?
अच्छा, hobbies क्या है आपका?
Sorry, sir.
Hobbies.
Sir, hobbies.
I know none of us have any hobbies. हर टाइम आपको ऑफिस में ही चल जाते हैं, फिर भी ऐसा नहीं बोलना है, आप थोड़ा कुछ बताना है. Like
Right.
hobby is
Listening to music.
Yeah, बताइए. Hobby is walking or doing exercise or doing social service, or reading, watching television or teaching children, something like that. Constructive बताना है. How many kids do you have?
Sir, I have one kid.
What is the age?
She's 1 year old.
Oh, both.
Yes.
What is your age?
My age is 37, sir.
Oh, बाबा बहुत देरी से पैदा हुआ. Yes, sir. No problem. Your wife is working?
Yes, sir. She is a teacher in Rajasthan government.
बढ़िया, बढ़िया, बढ़िया. Good. लेकिन अभी आपको बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र में हम लोग रिक्रूटमेंट देने से तो आपको महाराष्ट्र में डालेगा, क्या करेगा?
Sir, for advancement of career, if we for some years, if I have to go to Maharashtra also, then I will join that assignment.
See, on the one hand, you will be losing salary because you are jumping from there to here, and on the other hand, आपको wife को job भी चला जाएगा, और on the third person disturbance also. ये सब इतना भी लेने का आपको, is it worth it?
Sir, actually, my wife is working, so as it is, I am not living currently with my wife. I was transferred to a different place, and we are not living together.
Oh God.
So this is actually not a new scenario for me, but after say I spend some time in Bank of Maharashtra, then I will request for a transfer in Rajasthan, because also there I have made an inquiry that there are close to 40 branches in Bank of Maharashtra in Rajasthan.
Yeah, they have good coverage there.
So if they can transfer me, if they can give me a posting in Rajasthan only, then I'm sure my performance will also improve, because if I'm living in Rajasthan only and close to my family, and I have the opportunity to visit my family fortnightly or weekly, then it will be beneficial for me too also.
But you are now already in Rajasthan, no?
Yes, I am in Rajasthan only, sir.
But straight away from your wife.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा जी, ये बताइए किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड का एडवांटेज क्या है, उसका बारे में कुछ बताइए.
So Kisan credit card's biggest advantage is that it helps to provide credit to the farmers who are the real producers of the country, and the farmers previously, before the KCC scheme, the credit supply or the credit linkage of the farmers, the linkage of farmers with the banks was not that much, and the KCC scheme has really taken this credit to the individual farmers, and they can with the help of KCC fulfill their productive needs, which is a.
See here, first point you have to tell is Kisan credit card is normally valid for 5 years, subject to review. Submission of papers every year by the borrower is not necessary. He can use the money, produce, then sell and adjust out of the harvest. And if he does it within the limited period, then he will get some concession in rate of interest, so that it becomes at 4% only. Some subsidy is given by the government. So, वो link करके बताना है. Don't tell about other things. पहले क्या हुआ, अभी क्या होना है, ये सब जरूरत नहीं हमको. खाली straight point बोलना है.
Right.
Very good. Anyhow, you are a best performer. What is the mark you scored by you? Written test में.
Hello.
Written test में कितना mark score किया?
Sir, written test में 73.
Not bad. Yeah, cutoff कितना जानते हैं?
I don't know about that, sir.
Doesn't matter. Let us be hopeful. You will succeed. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
कल आप हमको questions भेज दीजिए. ठीक है?
ठीक है, sir.
Best wishes.
मैं भेजूंगा.
Now, next candidate for me is today 6 o'clock. One candidate is not coming. Only 6:30. And if you want, you can observe in Zoom. I will tell you when I go there. If you want, you can sit with me and observe that also. अभी क्या काम है आपको? कुछ जगह पर जाना है, आप आना है?
Sir, मेरे को actually I have to go to Jaipur because I
ओ
have
अच्छा,
the
ठीक है,
interview.
ठीक है, जाइए. Best wishes.
ठीक है, sir.
Please go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I really enjoy talking to you. You are sure. You are
So did I, sir.
one of the sure candidates to be given preference. But only problem is they will question why are you coming with the lesser salary and why are you willing to be disturbed. But mostly they will post you in Rajasthan itself. Rajasthan में मिल जाएगा आपको. देखते हैं क्या होगा. God bless you. Because
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bank of Maharashtra is more accommodative. They post within the same state to an extent possible.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Sometimes, Tamil Nadu girls posted in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu boys posted in Karnataka. Bas pass me. This is it. I enjoy talking to you. Best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Good. आप थोड़ा stand up कर दीजिए. Stand. Good. Yeah. So, very good. So you look very nice. चाहिए तो अब टाई भी पहन के जाइए.
जी सर, मैं टाई पहन के जाऊंगा.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, sir.